So here we are, looking at the last update here on my expansion of my workshop. This is a large room. Mike's just finished putting the third coat of wax on this floor. We cleaned it first with a scrubbing pad on a floor buffer, did 3 rinses, then we put down a sealer, and we put 3 coats now of wax on. You have to wait 30 minutes between each coat. We've got 2 more coats of wax to go on this, and then we'll be buffing out this floor, and this room's going to be done. Now, this small room around the corner that's adjacent to this, that's also been done as well, but I can't show it to you right now because the floor is wet. I can't go out onto the floor. Here's the buffer, the floor buffer that I rented, $65 a day to rent this. That red pad that's on there, that's the one that's used for scrubbing. After all the polish is on the floor, then I'll change that over to the white pad, and that'll be used to buff that floor out. And here's a view here going through that smaller room into the large room. You can see that, again, that's all been completed. It's got the 3 coats of polish on it. So here we are in the large room of my expansion. Everything's done. 5 coats of wax are on it. It's been buffed out with the white pad. Just take a look around here. I've moved some things back into this room. You see through there, smaller room going into my existing workshop, which everything's been moved back into. I'll be moving that stuff out into these rooms here that's for expansion. So let's just look around here in the big room that I'm in now. And then you can see through here, back in there, another smaller room back there. It's available for expansion. I'll be moving the freezer and some other things back into there. Now over here, you see here, I've still got this transition to do between the linoleum floor and the wood floor. Still got that to do. I just need to, I'll make that out of oak. I'll make that on my Shopsmith. And I also need to do a wooden transition from that wood floor into the bathroom. There's a drop cloth there that's covered to protect the wood floor right now. So that's it for this last update on my workshop expansion. Hope this has helped you, and we'll see you on the next one.